Mountie first thing. If it's about that cheese, then I'm about it. I be stacking up. Got no time for niggas hating low, we backing up. Keep that clean and watch some Dayton's cruising down the street. Hear my car before it's coming. Fuck the police. Windows down, I'm smoking something in my bitch. She talking about she in love with me, let her smoke weed, drink champagne, do drugs with me, we go out of town. Dinner at town, do clubs with me. What you niggas think? Got more bank and more rank. Smoking weed with some bitches in the club who don't drink. Talking about they get money.